Hello lovelies, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious native rice. You can also call it palm oil rice. For this recipe, you need a roughly blended pepper mix made with bell peppers, chili peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, also known as tatashe, shombo, atarodo, and then some onions. You also need some fish. I'm using smoked fanla fish. I have already deboned and cleaned mine. You know how prices are these days. I honestly feel I was overcharged for this. Guess how much I got it? Because normally this particular type isn't supposed to be so expensive. Next, you need some crayfish. This is also very important in this recipe. You need some boiled eggs and any other protein you prefer. You also need smoked dried catfish. This is very important for this recipe. Wash with hot water and salt to clean it properly, and then based on how strong it is, because it's always really dried, you can soak it for a few seconds or few minutes in hot water to make it a little bit soft. See how dirty the hot water from the catfish looks. I wonder why some people just use it like that inside their food. Like they just drop the whole round thing inside without washing it. It's better to wash it because it's always very dusty.
Check the description box for the complete ingredients.
Before we start cooking, I have a quick announcement to make. Hello lovelies, guess what? Our brand new recipe ebook called Festive Bites is finally here. This special edition was carefully curated just for you to make your celebration season extra delicious and stress-free. Inside, you will find easy mouth-watering recipes from sizzling grills to yummy pastries and refreshing drinks. Whether you are cooking for family, friends, or giving yourself a treat, there's something for everyone around the globe. So remember to grab yours. And to my Niger fam, you know how every festive season, some of you slide into my DM asking how many eggs for this and that. Well, no more guessing. All your answers are right here in Festive Bites. Now imagine last year 5 liters of authentic chin chin went out for 30,000 naira. But this time you can get that recipe and plenty more to explore for as low as 5,499. Be honest, I don't try for now let's start cooking. Place a pot on medium heat. You can use a regular pot or shallow pan. Mine is a bit deep and not the best option. Pour in your palm oil, your diced onions, add your locust beans, also known as eru. If you prefer okwehe, you can use that instead. They work the same way. Add in your crayfish and saute for 2 minutes. Pour in your pepper mix, then add seasoning cubes and salt to taste. Keep the seasoning simple so that the native flavor shines through. Fry until it darkens a bit. Add your washed catfish. I don't use the head because of the bones. That's why you need bigger sizes. Then add your smoked fanla fish and any other protein you have available. Add in your eggs. Scoop out more than half of your fish sauce and set aside. Pour in your washed rice into the remaining sauce in the pot. Stir properly. Don't worry if some pieces of the fish break and scatter. This way the rice can absorb the flavor. Remember, we already scoop out most of the sauce. So to your rice, add water to cook your rice properly. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. But remember, the sauce you kept aside is already seasoned. So just go in with just a little seasoning for the rice to have its own taste. Once the rice is cooked, pour back the sauce you set aside and mix gently to combine. Cover on low heat for few minutes. Then sprinkle in some scent leaf. But you can use any other vegetables you have. You can use more than this quantity I used. And that's it, guys. Your delicious and flavorful native rice is ready. Please remember to subscribe, share, like, and do you want some? Oh yeah, bring your plates. Arrange your plates. If you watch to this level, let me know where you are watching from, what country you are watching from. Bye. I originally planned to sell just one recipe at a cheaper price, even if it was 2,000 per recipe, and this ebook has 13 recipes. Some of my people use safe, do the mathematics now. Hmm? Many creators actually sell theirs individually, especially those of us who aren't beginners. But in the festive spirit, I kept adding more recipes. Think of it as Santa showing up early. Now you get 13 easy, delicious, tested and trusted recipes in one place. This isn't a copy and paste book. I took my time and energy to make it clear and easy to read. So hurry and grab your copy. You can even start trying out some recipes before the festive season officially begins. And the best part, you don't need to talk to me before getting the ebook. Just click the link on my Instagram bio or on YouTube and follow the easy steps on Seller. You can ask me for the link if that's what you prefer. And if you have any question about the book, I'm right here to answer. So basically, the same way you go online to reply WhatsApp messages and scroll through social media, that's exactly how easy it is to access your ebook anytime you're online. Once you've paid, it's always available to you. Even if I increase the price later, you are covered because you already got yours. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to stay hydrated and remain blessed.